Open your dialogue script for Lesson 5. In Part 1, we're using our new verb root to be happy in question form. We ask each other if we're happy, and we ask if Mary is happy. We can say, Yagotanuni ga ne wari, or we could also ask, Wari ga yagotanuni. The difference, as you might guess, from what you know about word order is this. Is Mary happy? And is Mary happy? Next we have Onunjeronji ya de yagotsanuni ne wari. Why is Mary not happy? Notice in this script that I use both onunjero and o niojero. This is just to show you how they sound and that you can use either, but it's better to be consistent in your speech. Yahte yagotanuni ne wari ne auriwa yahte hotsanuni ne sawadis. Mary isn't happy because Johnny isn't happy. Really? Ask Johnny if he's happy. Echirawanundos ne sawadis dogat rotanuni. That's the command form of that verb. We add back in the end of that particular aspect ending to turn it into a different tense. So we'd say, Wah keriwanundose. I asked her. Anguriwanundose. I will ask you. Pretty neat how the language works. Back to sticking with the present tense. In Part 2, Saderianderega onunjeronji yahte hotanuni ne sawadis. Let's try translating that question. We have Saderianderega, so we know this is a yes or no question. You know? So we'll just go ahead and make that do you know. Onunjero, why? Gia de hotsanuni, that G in there, it's being used to join the question with the verb, which is, he isn't happy. Ne sawadis. Our ne particle is introducing the person we're talking about. Do you know why Johnny isn't happy? And we have our prefixes with R's in them, ro and ri, both getting negated in Part 2. So we have to modify those and change the R's to H's. Rotsanuni becomes yah de hotsanuni. Rinuis becomes yah de hinuis. And when we say yah de tenuis, you don't like him, notice that we don't need the E from yah de because our vowels like to be by themselves. So we wouldn't say yah de etsenuis. They cancel each other out. Instead we say yah de tenuis. In Part 3, de get dihanga ne gigantagos tehnu ne oya. Are this cat and the other one different? Ha, de get diha ne tegantagos tehnu ne tega. Yes, that cat and that cat are different. And here we're saying aguego genuis. Yes, I like all of them. If we were to negate that, we'd say yah aguego de genuis. See how that aguego squeezes itself in between the yah and the de. It's the everything that is being negated here, not the verb. So that's why that works like that. And lastly, we have senuis ga nedagos. That's an easy one for you by now. Hadinahoda ize senuis I oni genuis. Hadinahoda, whatever. Ize senuis, you like. I oni genuis, I also like. Whatever you like, I like too. Saha wagatsanuni nuwa. Saha, our word for more. More, I'm happy now. And let's move the words around to sound more like plain English, and we get I'm happier now.